guys, I want to share with you how to use the mini facial. So these are 3 of some of our fan favorites. You have the Microdermabrasion paste. This is the salt and sugar scrub. There's our intensive renewing serum. So this is a little blue capsule. This is vitamin A, and this is your anti-aging gold right here. And then this one is the lip renewing serum. So this is for your lips. It helps if you are a chronic chapstick user, that's the one for you. So I'm gonna show you how to use these things. This is the Microdermabrasion paste, so that's that silver packet. And you're gonna apply it on dry skin. So like I have pretty sensitive skin and it's fine for me. You can do it on your lips too. Give them a little scrub. So if you need it more gentle, you add water and you don't put it on dry skin, and make sure you get on your neck and even down here on your chest. And then you rinse that. So pat your skin dry. And then you will take the intensive renewing serum. So that's the blue capsule. It looks like this. And they're in a blue capsule because it helps keep it in its most potent form. Here is it's retinol, which is vitamin A, and it's like this golden color. And I like to kind of do a little dab and just gently rub it on. It's really soft and kind of silky. And you want to stay away from the eyes. You can get on your neck too. It's a buttery feel. I like to do the backs of my hands with a little extra. So the lip serum is the 3rd step, and it also comes in a little capsule. So you just give it a little twist. And if you get this, I usually like to use half of it in the morning or in the evening. This is an evening ritual, by the way. You're gonna do it at night. And I like to kind of go around my lips because this helps with the wrinkles that happen around your lips. If you're a chronic chapstick user, it's really good for you. And then I like to save half of it and use that bit in the morning, but you could use the whole thing. So that's the mini facial. I will love to hear what you think about it, and I hope that's helpful. Bye.